I'm going to set this recorder down. I'd really like to hear from you, sir. I was in the military, and it looks like you were in the Army in World War II, 37th Division, 148th Infantry. Could you tell me your name and rank on here? That'd be great. Just wait a second. Looks like you died in action in World War II on August 4th, 1943. So I'm going to set this down. Like I said, this is a device where I'll be able to hear you later. Just speak into the little red light. We'll kind of leave it set right there. I'm going to walk back this way, so if anybody has anything to say, please step up and speak into that little red light.